Hello there, my name is Colin Hinneka from Advantech Europe. I represent the Industrial Displays Division team, and today here we're at ISE Europe. We're exhibiting our Archimedes educational and corporate whiteboard displays. This comes in three main sizes, which is 65-inch, 75-inch, which we have here today, as well as 86-inch. They all feature onboard Android 7.1, which we're now upgrading up to 10 later in the year. We also have an OPS slot, so you can integrate your own machines, as well as a great level of I/O at the front of the display, so you can have interactive activity, particularly in the educational sector. It has great mirror screen servicing as well, very good with applications on boards, highly functional, and comes with a great amount of accessories as well for the educational sector as well as the corporate points. We'll just quickly go through some of the demo points. So this is in whiteboard mode, which you can then share. We can get a QR code, which can allow you to save the content and share that with any of your customers or with any of the person in the class board. It has its own Wi-Fi, so you can share it with anybody in the classroom or your corporation. So you can have it with if you're having to save any of the files that you're saving here. We'll just go over to the main menu here. In the home mode, we have obviously the whiteboard. You can store your own files on board. It has quite a good size of hard drive. This interface will be getting upgraded shortly. We can share multi-screen modes, so you can attach your phone, tablets, any laptops through it through mirror sharing, and we also have some applications that will allow you to do that. We will also give you a customized Google Store on board, so you can also put your own applications. Just tell us what you want, and then we'll make sure the whole application will work fine for you as well. So yeah, this allows you to then share the mode. It's quite simple. It connects it to your own Wi-Fi, which your laptop or tablet will be able to get in touch with. So I think that's it from the Archimedes range, which is, as I say, a very cost-effective solution, highly technical for the market, very effective. Yeah, so please finish off and see us on the www.advantech.com Europe, and you'll find a dedicated page for the Archimedes series for the Industrial Displays team. Thank you very much for your attention, and thank you very much here at ISE Show. Thank you.